or die with that three-point shot. As Romeo gets it to Junmar.
Oh!
4 points in the game para kay Abay.
Parang sinasabi ni Junmar Fajardo, I don't need to low post to get my points. NBA teams.
Look at that entry pass from Fajardo. Shabazz with a three-point play opportunity.
And you get the
Belga off the secondary, trying to feed Walker. Henry went up with it, and he'll be at the line for a bonus.
And he used the glass that time. I mean, what a smart player. Off balance, medyo pabagsak na siya. And he knew he wouldn't be... Bayad dito. Bibilis ng San Miguel, oh. And they're going early offense. And look at that. That's a basket coming from Dick Manuel. That's a three-point play opportunity right there.
Patuloy ang pananalasa ng mga magsiserbesa.
San Miguel naman. Ito. Look at that. First step ni Shabazz. Wala nang makakasabay sa kanya eh. Once he gets that ball in that position, he just turns, he spins away.
Mohamed, Belga with a takeaway. Norwood on the breakout. Gabe will throw it.
Yes. And Gabe Norwood with a two-handed slammer.
Haven't seen that in a while.
Yeah. It reminded me of what he did to Luis Scola.
Yun. Walker, no look to the corner. Nieto from deep. No. Look at the putback. Para dito kay Moko. And this now is the closest Rainer China has come. They are within 5.
It's just a 5-point lead, and here's Junmar Fajardo. He will be fouled inside.
Ponferrada lines it up.
And got it again.
Pang-apat na tres na yan para kay Jewel.
Boy, this guy's fully loaded. Nakaka 15 points na. Si Jewel Ponferrada.
What a game para kay Ponferrada.
And not only that, the ball away.
It's just a 2-point game now. CJ to the
yes.
spin cycle for the finger roll.
The basket coming from CJ. Oh,
About the Beerman.
Just in case.
Oh,
wait a minute.
With a three-point play opportunity.
Ray Nambatak with a three-point play opportunity.
Pass. Romeo ran into Mocon. Romeo slicing through. Gets the bounce.
And what a basket by Terrence Romeo. Baksak ka naman dun si Shabazz, ha?